So you land on this video because you heard you can get funeral cost expense help for you and 6 other people for as low as $50 a month. And you want to know how. I'm going to show you. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, and today I have a blessing for you. And yes, that's why I worded it just like that, a blessing. Because let's be honest, how many of us, okay, and I'm just going to keep it really real right here, because we're going to talk about a topic that a lot of people don't like to talk about, but we need to do it. We need to talk about it. And what I want to talk about is, how many times have you seen someone pass, especially now that we've been dealing with this pandemic and these trying times? How many times have you logged online and saw, the unfortunate, someone had passed unexpectedly in your timeline? But even more so depressing, how many times have you seen that the family didn't have enough money and couldn't afford to give them a proper burial, and what they end up having to do? Resort to a GoFundMe, right? How many times have you seen a GoFundMe hit your timeline? Please help us out, trying to bury our loved one, trying to have a funeral service for our loved one. I mean, it's very, very unfortunate. It's one of the things, like, we're guaranteed to die one day, but most of us aren't even financially prepared for when it happens, okay? The average funeral costs anywhere between $5,000 to sky's the limit, and again, the average person right now doesn't even have an extra $1,000 in their bank account. So if you don't even have an extra $1,000, and even on a small scale, let's say you was going for a cremation, I think a small cremation is like the lowest, about $3,000. So still, you don't even have enough money. And now I'm giving you the option, okay? I really want this to sink in. I'm giving you the option to be able to cover you and 6 other people, okay? You see how I'm flabbergasted, because, like I said, you're not gonna get. Let's dive in. Let's really show you what this has to offer. So let's go into some plans real fast so you can see. So when you go into family protection plan, that's the one I'm going to speak about because it gives you the most benefits, and I think it's the most beneficial. All right. So the family protection plan is between $50 and $75, depending on which state you live in. Okay. So, and if most of the people that's on your list is in a state that's $75, then it'll automatically bump you up to $75. So let's just say worst case scenario. I like to always go with the worst case scenario. Okay. So $75, that's what it's going to cost you. $75 a month. Now, what does $75 a month get you? Okay, it gets you a funeral or cremation service. It gives you viewing room for, basic time provided by each funeral home delivering the service. It gives you transfer of deceased to a local funeral home, cemetery, or crematory within the U.S. Okay. In the event that the client chooses cremation, the funeral home selects the crematory for preparation and the final disposition of deceased. It has memorial package and death certificate and a standard casket according to cemetery for urn regulations. So you get that. Also, let's say something happened out of state, right, from that you live in. They're going to pay for you to be able to fly the body back, and they're going to pay for the body to be flown back as well. Okay. All for $50 to $75 a month and not a penny more. Awesome, right? Share with others, and you can earn, of course. So now you can also earn residual income from it. Another thing I like is that they cover suicides, which most life insurance doesn't, unless I think it's like after 3 years or something. But this is only 6 months in, the policy kicks in. Okay, so it covers suicide. Here goes another one that's big. It covers people incarcerated. So look. We all got family members, or I won't say all, but a lot of us got family members that, has been locked up before, or might be even currently locked up. They made a mistake. They did, but we still love them. They're still family, right? And if something was to happen to them, especially while they're in prison, you want to know that we can give them a proper funeral service. Okay. And now we can. So this right here is going to give you the best option. Some of us can't get life insurance. You might have been denied life insurance. You'll still be able to be able to get this. You might have at one point in time had a illness, like you might have had a cancer scare or something like that, but you went in remission. But now life insurance don't want to approve you. You'll be approved here. Okay. See, and even if you do have life insurance, awesome. Now you can take the money from life insurance spend that and use this for your funeral expense. You see what I'm saying? Like there's no negative here. Also, when you have life insurance, it only covers you, right? It don't cover you and the whole house. And if it did, oh my God, it's going to get expensive. Well, now this is covering your whole family. Remember, it covers 7 people. So that'd be you, your wife, your son, your daughter. You know, what I mean, you want to put the dog on there? like you are covered, and you can also cover people. That's like, let's say you wanted to bless somebody like outside your immediate family. Like for instance, let's say you got a son and daughter that got married. You wanted to bless the you know, the son-in-law or the daughter-in-law. You can do that. You know, I just did that. I actually blessed my granddaughter. I blessed my wife, my daughter, my son, and then his girlfriend, and then my granddaughter. See, so all this $50 to $75. All right. So yeah, super dope. Now the nice thing is this company's been in business for over 70 years, but it's new to the U.S. It's not new to Latin America. So also, if you are in Latin countries, same thing. This you can use this offer. Actually, it's even better for you guys than it is for us because it just got to us. So you can see right here the benefits even longer. Okay, international funeral services. Look at that, way more benefits. So that's because it started out as an international company. Also, I want you to pay attention to the fact that we have A rating with the Better Business Bureau and 5 stars, as you can see. Okay. So another positive, you know, within the company is the fact that we got that 5-star rating. So, you know, look, this is what I'm bringing to you today. And I'm going to be bringing a lot more information about this. You know, like I said, I just got started, just came off of my wedding, just got started with this. But, hey, I'm a customer of the product as well. You know what I mean? I'm not just a promoter. I'm a customer. And why? Because I've seen the benefit. And when I go and my family members go, you won't be seeing no GoFundMes, you know what I mean, for us to get properly a proper funeral service. All right, so, okay, if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button, you know, because, you know, hey, this is the type of news I'm giving you that you can use. But more importantly, if you're ready to get started with Assure, okay, and you want to, you know, get your benefits or you want some more info, either way it goes, this is what I want you to do. I want you to text LIFE, you know, LIFE, text LIFE to 702-553-3326. And I'll text you back the information to go ahead and get started, and I'll reach out to you personally, okay, to get you going with this, or just give you that news that you can use. If you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. All right. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like and that bell, which is most important, because when you hit that bell, what's going to happen is it's going to alert you when I put up these videos. All right. So that's all I got for you today. Appreciate you. See you on the next one. Hey, protect you and your family. All right. Until then, have a blessed day.